So today is day 18 of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge. Ngasi je aigi hojik chathariba 90 days trading challenge ki taranipan suba numit October 13, 2022. Let's have a quick review of today's market and the trades that I've executed for the day. First of all, as usual, let's see how the market. Let's see the important levels that I had marked for the day. So na ahanbo ina ngarangi market key structure si yenga matungda koina mark tawgiba level singsi. This is the first supply zone that I had marked for today. Si jisma ine mark tawre. This is an important level that I had marked today because here after a short consolidation for around 20-30 minutes, sida consolidation tawra matungda market sina breakout see level see breakout of this is an important area. See mathakta sustain tawragadi I was expecting the market to go up from here. So this is an important level that I had marked for today. And then this is an important support which I had marked for today. This is another support area which I had marked for today, this area, and then this is the last support area that I had marked for today because sidai October gide 3 da consolidation area ama thokraga sidagi amuk si mapasibo lakpada sidagi mathakta kakatpe yabai chance laibina. This is an important area that I had marked for today. So let's see how the market responded to the important levels and how the trades played out for the day. So ahanbada market started with a gap down with almost around 170 points or 120 points in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty se gap down hora matungda, and I missed out one important point. This is another trend line that I had marked for Bank Nifty because this is a trend line which has been sustaining for the past few days. From around 6th of October, this trend line has been maintaining its resistance. Haibadi shida first line of resistance, second time, third time, and fourth time. Sigi area, sigi trend line jaina important way mark tawre. And yesterday this trend line was broken away in Bank Nifty shidagi breakout tawre. So I was expecting market to fall back to this resistance area and then bounce back from this trend line. This is what I planned for today. So the market opened with a gap down hora matungda market sigi trend line sida pull back la matungda sida hammer ama form tawre. There are 3 important candlestick patterns that I observe as I usually mention in my video. Sigi candle se hammer pattern. Hammer haibadi smaina maton smaina lairaga makhok smaina laibi. This is an important hammer, a bullish candle. Doga makhok smaina mathakta lairaga body ne smaina laibisna. This is an inverted hammer. So this is an upside hammer since the wick is here and the body is upside. I was expecting a bounce back from this trend line. See trend line se retest or matung the hammer se form tabnina. I was expecting an upward from here. Adugan I put my stop loss here. See the stop loss tamakanda I entered my trade here. See around 9:54 AM da I entered my trade here, keeping my stop loss below my first candle low. First candle gi low se sida laibnina. See the stop loss tamamatung na sangre. Sangmatung da unluckily my stop loss was hit here. See the I stop loss hit tawre by around 10 AM. 10 AM da I stop loss se hit tawre. The mistake that I made in this trade is I was not waiting for my candle to close above my 20 EMA. See 20 exponential moving average ki mathakta closing trade this is an mistake that I had committed for today, which I should avoid in the next sessions. And my second trade was entered here in this candle once this low was broken and once the candle closed below the trend line. Sigi chathariba trend line sigi makada sida sigi candle sina sida closing period plus 20 EMA gi makha juto laire. So I entered my trade at the beginning of this candle. See candle check how ga I trade sanction correct, keeping my stop loss at this level, below this, above this candle high, and then I hold my position for the whole day. I numit chupa ma hold tawre, hold tawre matungda I made a profit of around 19,933 for the day. That's all for today.